The 9th official signing of Kumasi Asante Kotoko has been confirmed by the club. And next Saturday, and also the 9th, and now almost signed the 8th, which was player Patrick Essiedu from Brekum Chelsea. And new signings for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No, as such, Saturday, me know, say, I 9 players, and no, none other than player not upon the ball and my great Olympics. Yes, your friend Amoah, Amoah, yes, on that screen, so no, Amoah, to say no, or your Krobia Asante Kotoko player, na player no, position be no, but details and more, cry, yeah, they brought on Super 24 TV. We say, Great Olympics relegation or moko idea. Among for to go mu players, no, so omu players no one ha. Ebeka be kakra bi no mo de be kwa akobo division 1 no, because Accra Sofoko sign, Kotoko sign, other clubs also sign, but titira akoye Kotoko ne has pa na sign omu players no. Albert Yeboah striker Great Olympics not too long ago. Mobile games kakra bi about 17 games mo about 5 goals. Yes, that is impressive. A striker this is Kotoko attacking no abe Abdul Rahman Abdul Karim and Elvis Cheba for Awuche and so was striking her and yenya Albert Amoah from Great Olympics and also abeka attackers no coach Oguma sema okafa no after Kotoko signing no and on media two screen so I say Albert is a player who brings a lot of energy and creativity to the field. Albert is a player bia or the ahoden any creativity eba. Ogum said his ability to both score and set up goals makes him versatile forward that will fit well into our tactical plans. Or say the ability utimi ede set up goals na onwa itimi sashe goals no Emma a very good player will fit into the tactical plans of Kotoko. We believe he has a potential to make a significant impact at Kotoko. Ye ojidi say ba wa ba Krobia Asante Kotoko yi obeya ade a ho beba mfaso pa ama Krobia Asante Kotoko football club no and only coach Prosper Ogum nsema oditu dwa about player ya sign for Albert Yeboah from Great Olympics player no striker ono abeye the 9th player Krobia Asante Kotoko assigned ahead of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League here around September 6 ya yintie na yenhye no so Kotoko any mediama ebebo 16th of next month TNA New Park Takwa sa game no it is expected say Kotoko ebe showcase all these new players omo asensan ni nyina ye twen the 10th one eba ya edebe bro ofia